Yo guys, I'm just at the corner of Melasti Bar or Melasti Beach in Legian, and it seems like they are preparing for some renovation for opening the tourist borders and everything. But let's see how's the life today. Well, Melasti Beach still looks deserted, and I'm gonna take you today for the spin around Kuta Beach, Legian Padma, and let's see how does it look like after one week after reopening international tourists for 23 countries. Is it an improvement or is it the same? Alright guys, so this is the area of Discovery Shopping Mall in Kuta, Bali, Indonesia, obviously. And let's see if it's an improvement, at least on the streets of Kuta, Bali, because well, since the new regulations of visa on arrival for 23 countries and no quarantine, few hundred people arrive to Bali. I'm not sure if maybe already a few thousand or I think few hundred only, but I got so many messages from you guys, as especially a few days ago there was full plane Jetstar from Australia, so 300 people from Australia arrive. So more coming up in the upcoming days, weeks, months. So let's see if this few hundred people is already enough to see an improvement on the streets of Kuta. Currently starting from the area where was actually the Discovery Shopping Mall, and now heading into Kuta Square. Well, suddenly still these restaurants remains closed. Well, obviously they need thousands of people on the streets walking by to operate, but currently here I don't see much difference. Well, I could say it's the same like a weeks ago, but okay, let's go now to Kuta Square and let's see if in the Kuta Square is already busier, especially if Australian people can come to Bali. The Kuta Legian area is very popular through Australian community, so I believe at least some of them supposed to walk already on the streets here somewhere. It's like 1 hour to sunset time. It's almost 5, so I believe it's supposed to be a little bit of action. But okay, Kuta Square still remain the same. Let's see area of the Kuta Beach and Beach Walk Mall. I'm driving today, guys. Just wanted to having a spin around and having a look. Here we go. No, that's the local domestic Indonesian people. Having a look. Tomorrow probably I will have a walk somewhere around the beach, maybe going to the beach. Let's see how's the cars. This is area of Jamie Oliver is still closed. Kuta Beach, I don't know, for me it's quiet, actually very quiet, guys. I don't see that much bluebird taxis either. Actually, honestly, for me it's exactly the same how it was upcoming last weeks. These people, they are also local. I think 300 people is not that much yet. Few hundred people, that must be at least few dozen of hundreds. I mean, like at least 100,000 or something. That will be very visible. At least few thousand people, that's for sure. Few hundred, I think, is not really visible. All right, here is some guy walking. Maybe that's one of the tourists, but seems like local also. Anyway, this is the Poppies Lane 1 entrance, popular place, and now heading to Beach Walk area. As I said on intro, heading into Padma direction in Legian. Actually, to be honest, guys, generally I could say is kind of quiet in still this is Poppies Lane 2. Okay, here is some guy driving a motorbike, and it's foreigner, that's for sure. That's the good sign. But anyway, if you're watching me already for a longer while, in the past weeks I used to come in here regularly to showing you around, and well, beginning of the week seems quiet. This is the Beach Walk area over here. Also not so many people, either local And well, bikes as always. Probably there are people on the beach, but I will have a look maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, by the beach. Let's focus today on the streets. Why this guy is reversing here. This is general update situation. How does it look live in Kuta and Legian? And here is some guy. Oh, that's also local actually. This is the entrance to the Gang Benasari when I used to vlog last time, and here's supposed to be a Cittadines hotel, but it's called Mamaka now. So it's no more Cittadines, it's Mamaka. It was little changes. It was the Westin under construction. I think they are still building Windham Garden. And in general situation today, oops, little traffic. This is the Stones in Legian hotel. Hotel is open. Actually quite many buses with the local people here, like local BEMOS. So the local tourism actually here. Pullman hotel here on the right, obviously. Pullman hotel is also open. Actually most of the big hotels are open. That's nothing really changed. Definitely I cannot see people, foreigners people walking on the street, some local people, that's for sure. Let's go straight now. The gate here is open, so luckily you can get here going to Mandira and Padma area. There is some guy at the front walking, and I think that's only the one person here what I saw as the foreigner. Yeah, that's better than nothing anyway. This is the Legian Beach Hotel and leading to Bali Mandira. Azul Beach Club, the warungs here, everything actually the same, nothing really has changed, to be honest. Okay, I think there is another fella, also foreigner. So maybe actually this is one of 2-3 people from this Aussie people. They are there. And this is my singing guy. Let's see what he gonna sing today for me.
Hello, it's 55. You know me side. Oh, me. You the kid of Mandel Bobby. With why? Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Huh? This guy. Take care.
Thank you.
Singing guy. No problem. Always happy. He's back. And now leading into direction of Hotel Padma. Erika Warung here. This is the entrance to Erika, in case if you would like to visit her here, this gate. So honestly, situation by the streets doesn't change that much, that's drastically. Seems for me pretty the same still. I think it still needs to wait at least few weeks, and more planes have to come. That was on the streets from Kuta to Legian. Upcoming days are gonna show you a little bit by the more deep inside the city walking, and also by the beach, maybe Kuta, Legian. Maybe I will visit Erika, and my aunt is in Kuta, so stay tuned guys. As always, I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care guys.